Alright guys, here we are at the 7K home. We're on our way to the beach. I promise you guys I'll do a walking tour to the beach from our home. We got a bunch of people visiting, coming in to see my wife. They haven't seen her in years. And we're eating a lot of food. A lot of fish, a lot of tuna, a lot of pork, a lot of everything. Alright, so let's do this guys. And we're on our way. So this is a real-time walk guys. And there's a sign right there to the beach resort that we have full access to anytime, because we're pretty much local here. There's the street there. Okay. And there's Snoopy. There's Snoopy. Hi. Hey Snoop. Hey Snoop. Hey baby. So there's Snoopy there. All the animals are super friendly here. I don't know what it is, but they're just so, I don't know, sympathetic, more neutral, very loving. I noticed that a lot here. All the dogs come and want to hang out with me all the time. So, here we go. Around the bend here. This is my late father-in-law's home. And you got a lot of chickens on this walk. Roosters. A lot of them are training for cockfighting too. A lot of them there are training for cockfighting. You got yourself a couple of these little convenience stores with gasoline over there. Got yourself convenience stores. Hi! Convenience stores. And you just keep walking this way. And they got fuel over here too and stuff to buy. Alright, I can see the ocean already. A basketball court here. Hey! And coming out. Another little convenience store here. Hey! Alright, we're almost there folks. I think I spent 30 seconds talking to you guys at the beginning of the video. But there it is. Under 3 minutes. And that's what it looks like, folks. I'll even do a video review of this beach resort if you guys ever pass through this area. You can come check it out. So you got a lot of debris on the beach from the surges and stuff being washed up. But here we are. I just literally just sit here. There's Wi-Fi over there. You put in 25 pesos or 20 pesos. You get Wi-Fi for like 5 hours. And I just kind of sit here and just kind of veg. Kids come all day. Most of the day. They're here and they're back on their way to the home. So I did want to share this with you guys to show you guys. Here we are. I could even touch water if you guys want. Could even touch water. You got a suitcase wash up ashore. A lot of coconut and debris here. Lots of debris, but it's not junk. It's just stuff that's being washed up on the beach. Because right now it's low season, or it's low season right now, so there's not a lot of tourism here. So just thought I'd show you guys. Here it is, folks. Walk to the beach. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Mike Martin's here. I have spoken.